Presenting your award is PNPC Power Glenn Sipon.
Good evening to everyone. To the same members of PMPC, it's a great pleasure to accept and privilege this award. This award gives me inspires to produce more films. Thank you at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Bye!
Ano na ba kategory?